Good afternoon. Roe versus Wade, the landmark 1973 Supreme Court case guaranteeing abortion rights, appears to be on the verge of being overturned. Late this morning, Chief Justice John Roberts confirmed the authenticity of a draft opinion that was leaked to Politico. That shows the Supreme Court's conservative majority is set to change course, meaning abortion would be decided on a state-by-state basis. Skylar Henry has the very latest from Washington.
Politico published a leaked draft opinion showing the conservative majority on the court is prepared to strike down Roe versus Wade. The opinion was written in response to a Mississippi law banning abortion after 15 weeks. In it, Justice Samuel Alito wrote, "Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. It's time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives."
Hands off our bodies! Hands off our bodies!
Demonstrators on both sides of the issue rushed to the court as soon as the news leaked. Overturning Roe versus Wade is likely to have a significant impact on this year's elections.
Now, women are going to go to vote in numbers we have never seen before, because we've never seen such, in our lifetimes, such an overturning of major precedent as this.
It's odd that we're in this weird dialogue about the rights of individuals to be able to take the life of a child. I just don't understand that debate, quite frankly. So I'm going to continue to be able to stand for every single child, no matter what.
It's important to note that this is just a draft opinion, and justices can and have changed their minds before final decisions are reached. But in this case, given the court's conservative majority, it's hard to imagine them reversing course. 4 conservative justices are siding with Alito to overturn Roe in the Mississippi case. It's unclear if Chief Justice John Roberts is siding with the conservatives or the liberals. But Chief Justice Roberts has the power to order an investigation to find out who leaked the document.
This lawless action should be investigated and punished to the fullest extent possible.
The official opinion in the Mississippi case is expected to be issued well before the end of the court's term in late June or early July. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the Supreme Court.
Local lawmakers reacting to this bombshell news as well. Congressman Joe Morelle said America woke up to find the Supreme Court poised to, quote, deliver the most damaging decision in over 5 decades. He also called this a defining moment in our nation's history, saying he will fight to make sure it does not happen.
This is a mess. I think it's the worst decision in over 50 years by the United States Supreme Court. I hope they rethink it before they make a final decision, and I hope the response by millions of Americans will cause them to pause and to reconsider.
Congressman Morelle adding Americans have been fighting for decades for women's suffrage and reproductive rights, and this is a, quote, horrific blow to that movement.